big fan of lamb, and I've got a great simple recipe for you. It's a great new way to make lamb chops. And I'll start by making a simple marinade. So I've got this plastic bag ready to go, and I'll add in some lemon juice, a minced clove of garlic, about a teaspoon and a half of dried tarragon, and a shot of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. And I've got these beautiful lamb chops here, which I'll just put in the bag. And then we'll close up the bag, seal it, and put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and let it marinate. I'm going to move these lamb chops from the bag and just pat them dry with paper towel, and I will discard the marinade. Then we'll cook the lamb chops for about 2 minutes on each side until they start to brown. Then I'll cover the pan and let them cook for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're done to your liking. I'm going to remove my lamb chops to a plate, and I'll cover them with foil to keep them warm. I will empty out any excess grease from the pan, and now I'll make a pan sauce, starting with some Madeira wine, some dried cherries that I've chopped up, and some chicken broth. And I will cook it until the wine is reduced to about a quarter cup. And I'll finish it with some butter and pour it over the chops. This delicious recipe is yours by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.